Oh, hang on, is that recording? Yeah, it is. Hang on. Just show you my belly. All right, guys, girls. Phew. My DP 7000 4-post lift decided to take a shit. Sorry about the camera work there. So I've had to buy a new ram. Yeah, this big ass piece of shit here. I'm about to try and go up and down, and I'm hoping that the fluid's going to come out of here and not too rapid a knot, so that it goes into my pan. And I also believe in the tooth fairy. Once that is done, then I'm going to undo this nut here. Hang on, let me get my, where's my light? I got a light. So then I will undo this big ass nut here, and yes, there is a flange here where you can do it, and get these cables off. Whoa! Oh, that was clever, wasn't it, Gary? So I squeeze. Oh boy, laugh with me, guys. Watch me shit my pants. Yeah, maybe I can do that again, but slowly, as the actress said to the bishop. Let me see. I'm giving him a squeeze. I'm just pulling on the cables right now to see what happens. Okay. Nothing too much. There are leaks everywhere. This ram on my 4-post lift, which I've had for more years than I care to remember, there is a, hopefully you can see it, there's like a filter, a gauze filter there, and it pissed out fluid. I mean, it pissed it out. Fortunately, I did not have a car on the ramp at the time, because that would have been really bad. I know when this blows shit out of here, that means all the seals have gone, or at least one of the major seals. I have used this and I replaced all the seals, oh, probably 18 months, 2 years ago, and I didn't have the right tools to set it, so I welded it, and it's been working beautifully. But it finally said, fuck you, I need to be replaced, which is what it does, because the shaft is bent apparently. You know, I've done a Heath Robertson here, and the fucker's leaking all over the goddamn place. It needs to be replaced, because one, my Mark II will be going on this lift, and I don't want this thing to fail. So what I got to do now is try and squeeze as much hydraulic fluid out as I can. I have no clue what's going to happen when I press the button, but I got a feeling I'm going to be using up a lot of catty litter. Catty litter, or even kitty latter, or latty kitty, or even kitty latter, or even cat litter. See, there are so many things I could use. Yeah, I'm full of bullshit. And then I'm going to get this off, tie all the ropes out of the way, because I need to bring in my baby, my Corvette. So let's press some buttons and see what the fuck happens. You're gonna see it live. Oh gosh, look at that mess. Guess I got a bit of cleanup to do, huh? So what happens if I press the button now? Hang on, let me get in the right, sort of right position. Woo! All right. Okay, that's good. It's good, but I don't want it to hit my Mark II, because I'll go poopy in my panties. So let's see if we can make it come down here a bit. I know I got a clean up to do. Let's see. Let me go. Oh, I'm a rotten shot, aren't I? All right, let's push it out there. Let's see. Damn, I really do need to change my aim. That's what she said last night. Now, I'm not saying this is the way to do it, but hey, what the fuck? Sorry, this is boring. You might want to fast forward. Uh-oh. There she goes. I'm just going to let the rest hit the floor. Yeah. Why? Woo. Ooh, dancing time. Yeah, this is a lot of cleanup to do. I don't know what the hell else I could have done. Alright, let's move that. See if I can soak up the rest without making too much of a mess. And sure as hell making sure it doesn't touch my Mark II. No, it's not. Alright, we do this slow. I got a big cleanup job going. Aren't you glad I'm doing this and not you? Yeah, it's running out of power. We're done. All right. So now I've got a big cleanup to do on the floor. Let me double check anything here. Don't see anything on the car. Great. I shouldn't, but hey, shit, you never know, do you? Huh? First, wipe it off quick. Okay. Well, you may well be wondering why I'm showing you a picture of the Mark II. Unfortunately, when I was recording what I was doing, I stepped on the hydraulic fluid that had gone on the floor and did my best cartoon impression, flew up in the air, landed flat on my back, and also at the same time kicked the pan with the rest of the fluid in, which of course covered me completely in hydraulic fluid and splashed everywhere. Fortunately, very little hit the Mark II, and I immediately got a cloth and polished it off. Ah, boy, such fun. I tell you, this thing is a nightmare. But hey, it's done now. Just thought I'd amuse you with that little comment. Now get out in the garage, go do some shit.